fig, which has been used as a source of healing since ancient times, comes to our table by collecting all the beneficial components of the soil as a result of the drying process for consumption of figs. Throughout the year, it can be used in all seasons. Dried figs, which are consumed at regular intervals instead of products containing refined sugar, provides incredible benefits to our body and heal many physiological problems. What are the benefits of dried figs? When and how much should be consumed? Let's examine together. You can subscribe to our channel for free before moving on to the benefits. What are the herbage in new informative video every day? What are the benefits of consuming 3 dried figs a day? Dried figs are rich in both soluble and insoluble fiber. The soluble fibers it contains act as probiotics and stimulate the growth of beneficial bacteria that are very important for internal tissue. Insoluble fiber draws water from the digestive system and allows other nutrition to be better absorbed. Just 3 dried figs meet 15% of the daily dietary fiber requirement. On the other hand, dried figs contain phenols, omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. It is also rich in minerals such as potassium, magnesium, copper, iron and phosphorus. High potassium level takes very important responsibilities for balancing blood pressure. Dried figs against diseases. Fig is a very effective antioxidant, vitamin and mineral store with its antibacterial properties. It helps the body fight viral diseases by activating the immune system with its high aim of strengthening and protective antioxidant, especially the gel pulses contain phenols components with anti-inflammatory properties. This substance softens the throat, reveals dry cough, and relaxes the respiratory tract. It is also help prevent water loss in high fever with its vitamin C content. Also, dried figs contain vitamin derivatives responsible for serotonin production. Serotonin elevates mood and reduces mental stress. It protects our nervous system, especially by reducing the secretion of the hormone cortisol, which is secreted during stress. On the other hand, figs contain powerful components such as calcium, magnesium, and potassium, all of which aid bone health. Adequate calcium intake is essential for maintaining healthy bones. Half a handful of dried figs contain about 115 milligrams of calcium. At sometimes dried figs contain high levels of iron, an important component of hemoglobin, and is very useful in preventing anemia. In addition, the components in dried figs prevent the growth of cancerous cells. With the help of antioxidants, it helps to quickly remove toxin from the body. It searches for and neutralizes free radicals in the body. On the other hand, dried figs are very rich in dietary fiber. 1 medium dried figs contains an average of 4 grams of dietary fiber, so it has any harms in the consumption of dried figs. When and how much should be consumed? First, excessive consumption of dried figs can cause digestive problems by drawing more water into the digestive system due to the fiber and pulps it contains. So how much should be dried figs be consumed? Experts recommend consuming dried figs 1 or 2 wines a day, 3 to 4 days a week. In the light of this information, you can add national foods such as dried figs to your diet and benefits from their long-term benefits. If you like our video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you haven't subscribed, stay well informed.